Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from M1 Finance to your bank account, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from M1 Finance to your bank account, begin by opening the M1 Finance app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Invest tab. From the Invest section, look for the Portfolio option and select it. In your portfolio, locate the Cash section. Tap on the Cash option to view your available cash balance. Next, select the Withdraw button. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your M1 Finance account. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your available cash balance. After entering the desired amount, choose the bank account you want to withdraw to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add one before proceeding. To add a bank account, follow the prompts to enter your bank details. Once your bank account is selected, review the withdrawal details for accuracy. If everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may be asked to verify your identity for security purposes. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. M1 Finance will process your withdrawal. It typically takes 1 to 4 business days for the funds to reach your bank account. Check the status of your withdrawal in the Activity section of the app. You will receive a notification once the withdrawal is complete. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from M1 Finance to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.